At this time, we have received 3431 en
Remember when you didn't have a friend?
Hi, I'm Nick Steins, Customer Service Advocate for the Loveland Symmes Fire Department. Now, we've all been there before, at home cooking, and the smoke detector goes off. Now, smoke detectors, although they may seem like a nuisance at times, are actually in place to keep your family safe from any kind of fire emergency that may occur in your home. Here's a few smoke detector safety tips to keep you safe. First, make sure you have working detectors in your home. All floors, especially hallways, outside of bedrooms, or sleeping quarters, should have working detectors. It is recommended that you test your devices monthly, and remember that smoke detectors do expire. Replace your device before the expiration date to ensure you stay protected. Never disconnect or disable your smoke detectors. It is important that your smoke detectors are functioning properly at all times. Look for the Loveland Symmes Fire Department during our annual smoke detector blitz. Firefighters from the Loveland Symmes Fire Department will be coming to your neighborhoods to ensure that you have working smoke detectors. If you do not have working smoke detectors, the Loveland Symmes Fire Department will provide and install them for you. Remember that working smoke detectors play a vital role in protecting you and your family from any kind of fire emergencies that may take place in your home. As your fire department, it is our job to provide you with the tools necessary to keep you safe. So if you do not have working smoke detectors, please contact the Loveland Symmes Fire Department at the number provided.